SOA XMP practice question number 19. Data on a certain diagnostic test show that a patient with a particular disease will test negative 20% of the time, while a patient without the disease will test positive 8% of the time. 10% of the patients who take the test have the disease. Calculate the probability that a patient has the disease given that the test outcome is negative. Let's start with a tree diagram. Let D be the event that the patient has the disease, and ND be the event that the patient does not have the disease. For the test result, either positive or negative. From the question, a patient with the disease will test negative 20% of the time. For this branch, we have a probability 0.2, and then a patient without the disease will test positive 8% of the time. This branch, 0.08. Lastly, 10% of the patients who take the test have the disease. So we have 0.1 on this branch. We need to calculate the probability that a patient has the disease given that the test outcome is negative. We only need to consider the branches leading to a negative test result. We already have the information on this branch, 0.1. This is PD, the probability that the patient having the disease. And then this branch, 0.2, the probability that the test result is negative given that the patient has the disease. And if the probability that the patient does not have the disease, we have 1 minus 0.1, which is 0.9. And then the last branch here, 0.92. This corresponds to the probability that the test result is negative given that the patient does not have the disease. We only need to consider these 4 numbers in our calculation. By the Bayes theorem, we can calculate the probability that the patient has the disease given that the test outcome is negative using this expression. Substitute the probability into this expression. So in the denominator, we have 0.2 times 0.1, and then plus 0.92 times 0.9. The numerator, we have 0.2 times 0.1. Upon calculation, we get the answer 0.0236. This is the probability that the patient has the disease given that the test outcome is negative.